equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Replacing the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid mixer is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any necessary cleaning. First, ensure your mixer is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by removing the mixer head from the stand. This typically involves unscrewing the screws located at the base of the head. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the head off the stand and place it on a clean, flat surface. Next, locate the carbon brush covers on either side of the motor housing. These are usually secured with a small screw. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, gently pull the covers off to expose the carbon brushes. Take a moment to inspect the brushes. If they appear worn down or damaged, it's time for a replacement. To remove the old brushes, use your pliers to gently pull them out of their slots. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. Before inserting the new brushes, it's a good idea to clean the area inside the motor housing. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new brushes are installed. Now, take your new carbon brushes and insert them into the slots, ensuring they fit snugly. Once they are in place, replace the brush covers and secure them with the screws you removed earlier. After everything is reassembled, it's time to test your mixer. Plug it in and run it for a few minutes to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what's needed before proceeding with any repairs. Finally, if you prefer not to deal with the hassle of repairs yourself, we can arrange for a quote before repair, so you're fully informed of the costs involved. With our services, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, as we handle everything for you. In conclusion, replacing the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid mixer is a manageable task that can extend the life of your appliance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your mixer running like new in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.